I walk with the grace of my fathers. I move like we no borders. Lie under the bed for space. At the enter room, that a clear place. Change the hood when spirit they free. From Omoaya to Abijasi. Legacy strong like Iroko tree. Odogu they live inside of me. I know they talk too much, but when I move, them feel the touch. My presence know they need noise. Wisdom, therefore silent voice. Odogu forever, now me when no they lose flavor. Even when the light go dim, we they shine like fire ever. Odogu forever, now spirits where they conquer. I know they fear no power, cause greatness they my border. I come from where stories know they lie. Where elders speak truth to palm wine. The warriors rise with dust on chest, but still they smile when time tests best. There's no be luck, not prophecy. I they walk in line with destiny. Mama say boy carry pride with grace. So I they fight, but I still they praise. Odogu forever, yeah. Also a day, let the light rise. Now they enter room, Odogu neck kele. They bully a loop, do it forever day. Nothing they do. Odogu forever, tell them say we not a tire. Through the fire, through the storm, still we stand, still we strong. Odogu forever, legacy not gonna retire. When I go make them still they say that one I lie on, they know they play. Not just a man, but a movement. Not just a name, Odogu forever. Odogu forever. Even when no they lose favor. Even when the lights go dim. Odogu forever.